Apparently, Haitian food is one of the best foods. Today we are at Rawson Haitian restaurant in Charlotte, North Carolina. I've never had Haitian food. I've heard so many good things about Haitian food, so I had to come check it out. This is what the food is looking like. And let me start off by saying that it smells absolutely amazing. This is the griot, I believe. The black rice, it's black because of a mushroom. This is the griot, which is like the fried pork. There's some onions on there, fried plantains. I believe these are like pickles or something like that. So it's like a pickled cabbage, and it's supposed to be spicy as well. So it looks absolutely amazing and it smells so good. Let's try this rice out. That's cooked absolutely perfectly. That's absolutely delicious. Let's try them out. I'm gonna get some of this pork. I guess dip it in here. Let's go in for that bite. So tender, but crispy on the outside. Get some of the pickles. Corian, fruit champagne, tropical flavor. Never tried this before. Nice and sweet. Kind of reminds me of bubble gum, honestly. Everything was so good. The griot, which was like the fried pork, was fried perfectly, crispy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. The black rice, I guess they use mushrooms to make it black. It's so delicious, guys. It might not seem like the most eye appealing. It's full of flavor, and that's what matters most.